Well, with this symposium, what we really want to test is how it feels when you bring a bunch of scientists together with practitioners, that all of them as individuals dream of being part of a transformation towards a just, sustainable future for all.
For me today, the highlight so far was the spirited exchange this morning between an activist and an academic, where we heard about the need for more knowledge, but also more activism. And the conversation started with one or the other, and it evolved into, well, we need both.
My takeaway is we need to emphasize on solidarity among countries, within countries, and in different issues we are facing, because we have a diversity of problems and we have a diversity of responses, and there is no one solution that can be applied in different parts of the world. So the key fundamental element is solidarity.
It was a beautiful day, very interesting format with a scientific part in the morning and a very interactive part in the afternoon. My takeaways from today is ask the right questions, listen, and get started. Even if a project is not perfect, start doing it, learn, adapt, and start again. Because it's important that we all start doing a change and change the world to the better in order to have a world we all want to live in.
Today's Wyss Academy Symposium was a great opportunity to hear from some of the world's leading scientists who are studying the impacts of biodiversity and climate change. What are some community solutions that we can scale up across the world to make sure that in the future we're learning new approaches and best practices to safeguard nature, to make sure our communities and landscapes are resilient in the face of the crises we're facing in biodiversity loss and climate change.
We really hope that after this day people go back home and say, we have not just learned something, we have met exciting people, we have tested a new format, and we have collected inspirations and concrete ideas that we can work on, be it in our respective field, respectively with others.